Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your eHarmony's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your eHarmony's account, firstly go ahead and open up your eHarmony application. The official page of eHarmony application will appear on the screen. From the official page, tap on Login. Enter your email address and password associated with your eHarmony's account and tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. On the next page, a verification code will be sent to your email address for verification. Enter a verification code sent to your email address, and that is how you will be able to log into your eHarmony's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.